Happy Aloha Friday, everyone. I am just getting home from work. I put on my bikini and we're gonna take my brand new longboard. Oops, this is dirty. We're taking my brand new longboard out to the beach to shoot some content, get her waxed up, and then get her ready for the water. I'm so excited. This is the longboard of my dreams, absolute dreams. So let's head on out. Just look at the water, it's amazing. Okay. We're gonna set up like here. And then shoot some content. I got my hands on the Ray-Ban Metas. Wayfair. Limited edition, not for sale. I can't wait. Okay, let's go ahead and do the honors. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. So cool. So cool. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, it lights up. No way. These are so sick. These are so sick. Oh my gosh, what? And I love Wayfairs. Woo! These are so sick. I'm freaking out. No way, I have to figure out how to do this. My phone just stopped recording, so I like had a little pause. I'm in disbelief. I just downloaded the Meta app. We're just getting set up with the setup phase. Switched on charging the case, connected to Wi-Fi network. Sure, let's turn on notifications, learn the basics. Put on your glasses. I'm gonna set this up here. Let's put on the glasses. Glasses on. Press the capture button once. It says take a photo. Press and hold the capture button. These are so cool. Okay, I need to finish up the rest of this a little bit later because I gotta go to work now. These are amazing. These are getting returned. Need these. Don't really need these. Okay, gotta go to work now. Thanks for watching. We're gonna surf later this afternoon, so stay tuned for that. Bye! Yeah, we just got to the park. Gonna get ready for a surf. I've got my Ray-Ban Metas on right now. They're so cool. We obviously cannot take them surfing, so we're just using them as shade protection for now. Not sure why I just put sunscreen on my face, because I have to take off this white hoodie. Waves are kind of small. but it's the trial run. Because why not? Why not? Going full, not full, spring suit today. It's windy. It's gonna get cold. I'm gonna try and stay out as late as possible, so I'm not trying to be cold. And should be a fun time. Today's Monday. I was so tired today because the weekend was like non-stop. So when I got home I took about like an hour-ish nap. Felt amazing. Oh, the thing about this spring suit is that it is so tight. I'm like constricted. Debating if this is even the best one to wear today. Oh, yeah, let's see what I'm talking about in just a minute. Oh my God. Got myself out here. Almost ready. Hello. I'll be there. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we're recording on the meta glasses. My first paddles. I don't have time. Okay, we just made it out. That was kind of sketchy because it's really shallow, low tide right now. The board feels amazing. Good volume. It's thin and narrow than what I'm used to, but it's got great volume, so I feel very buoyant on it. And we're gonna catch some waves today. I can feel it. Me and two guys out here. I'm so excited. Let's go. First wave! Felt kind of slow, but fun. So beautiful. New wood. She feels so good. wish it wasn't so low tide because getting out here was kind of scary. But happy Monday, y'all! Okay, kind of struggling to find a good wave. Kind of having a hard time. Oh my god! Better than my first wave, better. We gotta get better. You got it. Okay. This leash keeps coming undone. It's kind of annoying. So I thought it'd be cute to get like a beige colored one to match the board a little bit better, but I don't know, it's not functioning up to my expectations. And yeah, we can't have a dysfunctional, anyway, let's catch the moments. Okay, here's a wave coming. Oh my god. Wow, I don't know if you guys can see that. Cool. Cool little rainbow effect right there. That's really pretty. So pretty. Waves are really small, kind of hard to catch. I'm probably gonna call it a short session today. Yeah. Not looking very promising. But the board is amazing. I am obsessed. Can't wait for summer. Beautiful. I'll be around. Yeah.